Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video of 1-2 Step. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can add in a credit card on your Shein app. If you're trying to purchase something from Shein and you want to pay using your credit card, then in this video, let me show you how you can do that. Now, firstly, make sure that you are logged into your Shein account on the mobile app. Now, you don't need to add in your card prior. You can always choose the card option during the checkout process. So firstly, what you need to do is add some product that you're trying to purchase to the bag of Shein. So for example, if I pick this, I just need to pick the size and then tap on add to bag. Once this has been added to the bag, you can again tap on the bag option on the top right. And through this section, you can just tap on checkout on the bottom right. Now, if you haven't already added in your shipping address, it's going to ask you to add it in. And once you add it in your shipping address, you can see this section of payment method. There are a few payment methods that you can choose from, but if you want to pay using your credit card, you can tap on the credit card / debit card option and then tap on place order. Once you do in this section, it's going to ask you to type in the card details. So firstly, type in your card number. Select the expiration date and enter in the CVV. And this way you can just tap on purchase and that product will be purchased and shipped to your address. So you don't need to add in the card details prior. You can always add it in during the checkout. So that's how easily you can add a credit card on your Shein app. If you guys found this video helpful, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are interested in more daily videos just like this, be sure to hit that notification bell.